Are you struggling with getting a consistent stitch length when you're quilting? Let's talk about it. Using your domestic machine and a hoop frame is a great way to finish your quilt. And so many people ask us, can I add stitch regulation to my domestic machine? And the answer is yes, with the SureStitch Elite. The SureStitch Elite is a stitch regulator that is compatible with so many different domestic machines. And if you're wondering if your machine is compatible, then you can click the link down below and we have a list of all of the machines that will work with the SureStitch Elite. It also works with all of our frames. Let's go a little bit deeper into what you get when you get the SureStitch Elite. The first screen you're going to see is stitch regulation mode, which means that you're going to decide how many stitches per inch you want the machine to stitch out. And this creates your consistent stitches. You can choose anywhere from 1 stitch to 10 stitches per inch, or you can select some of the numbers already on the screen. The next screen you're going to get is manual mode, and what manual mode does is you choose how fast you want your needle to move up and down. So you can choose anywhere from 0% to 100%, and 100% just means that the needle will move up and down as fast as the machine possibly can. And you are going to control your stitch length by how fast you move the machine across your frame. When you go into your settings, you can choose your display setting, and so you can choose any of these colors. I like purple, so I'm going to go with purple. Then you can go into your machine settings. You can choose what machine you have, and if you're wondering if your machine is compatible, again, we have a list on our website, and the link is down below. The SureStitch Elite will also make a beeping sound anytime you are moving the machine too fast. So if you want that beeping sound to turn off, you can turn it off with the overhead speed sound. When you go into tools, there are 3 tools. The first one is the measuring tool, which you can use to measure block sizes or really whatever you want on top of your quilt. You also have a calculator. And lastly, you have edge warning, and it is my favorite because on a hoop frame, it is really hard to know when you are at the edge of your quiltable area. With edge warning, you move the machine to tell it where the edge of your quiltable area is, and it will start beeping when your machine is either a ½ inch or an inch away from the edge of your quiltable area, and that will prevent you from hitting that edge and messing up your quilting. And if you ever need help with your SureStitch Elite, you have access to our incredible tech support team at Grace. You can either contact them through email or you can give us a call. When you get the SureStitch Elite, you'll get the screen, the power box, some instructions, all of the cords you'll ever need, including 5 different foot pedal cables that are compatible to a variety of machines, your encoders, a power cable, and all of the things you're going to need to manage your cables. If you have any additional questions about the SureStitch Elite, make sure to leave them in the comments down below or give us a call. If you're thinking, wow, I want this, the link to purchase the SureStitch Elite is down below. Make sure to subscribe to learn more about our products and all the fun things you can make with them. We'll see you next time.